Hello everyone, welcome to Falling for Chinese. I know many of you can say 你好 when seeing Chinese people, but what else do you know beyond the sound? First of all, let me double check if everyone can use it appropriately. 你好, 你好. The phrase 你好 is made up of two characters. 你 means you. 好 means good. So literally, you are saying you good, which is like hello in Chinese. Now let's take a closer look at how to remember these characters. For 你 on the left, we have the person radical. That makes sense because we are talking about the person. On the right, it's a character that means you in ancient Chinese. For 好, this character, it's also made of two parts as well. On the left is a woman radical, and on the right is a radical meaning child. In traditional Chinese culture, a woman and a child together meant good. It's a happy picture. Isn't that a lovely way to remember? Now let's try some challenges. Are you ready? Now the first one. So out of three options, which one is the character for 你? Is it the left one, or the middle one, or the right one? It's the middle one. Did you get it right? Now let's look at the second question. Which one is the character for 好? Is it the left one, or the middle one, or the right one? It's the left one. Well done. Now you know how to say 你好, and you've learned two super useful characters. Brilliant! See you next time. 再见。